Suppose your friend, Rana, who lives in Khulna, has become a smoker. You know smoking is a bad habit and it causes many fatal diseases. Now, write a letter to your friend describing the bad effects of smoking. মনে করো, খুলনায় বসবাসরত তোমার বন্ধু রানা ধূমপায়ী হয়েছে। তুমি জানো ধূমপান একটি বদভ্যাস এবং এটি অনেক মারাত্মক রোগের সৃষ্টি করে। এখন, ধূমপানের কুফল জানিয়ে তোমার বন্ধুকে একটি পত্র লেখো। আনস উইল ভি পিও পি কামিলা 5ই ফেব্রুয়ারি 2025 My dear Rana, hope you're well by the grace of Allah. From a reliable source, I've come to know that you've started smoking. I've been very much shocked at this news. Dear Rana, you know that smoking is extremely dangerous for our health. When you'll be addicted to smoking, it will cost a lot. It will lead you to various diseases. Smoking is full of poisonous elements that are very harmful for your mental and physical health. So, as a friend, I do request you not to smoke anymore. Please be serious to stop it. I pray to Allah that He may help you to give up this bad habit. No more today. Tender my best compliments to your parents and affection to little ones. Yours ever, Munna. তারা চিহ্ন draw an envelope and write full addresses of the writer and the receiver.